Hello everyone, welcome to Monster Art TV, and today we're going to do...
猫头鹰。
搞错了，再来。
And today we're going to make
小鸟。
birds resting on the branch.
对，我们会画一个小鸟正站在树枝上哟。
We're gonna cut papers, we're gonna paint with the markers, we're going to glue, and we're gonna use basic shapes.
对，而且让我们一起来做一做吧。Are you ready?
Let's
Go!
So for our project today, we're going to use
当然是，哎，等一下，小朋友，我要给你们变个魔法，马尼后，剪刀，
color papers,
还有
markers, and
耶，白色橡皮泥。
so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to draw our tree.
对，我们首先呢要先画一个树枝。
Let's take the ground. The branches go down like this because our friends birds are gonna be standing on the branch. And I have an idea, we can make this tree a cherry blossom. The branch a little bit more strong because the birds are gonna fall down.
But the board is very soft.
Yeah, they're very light.
So
See, the cherry blossom is like this. Start cutting our friends, the birds. Let's start with the blue. Mr. Julian, can you pass the scissor, please?
好嘞。哈，
Magic. I'm gonna give you half the paper. You want to start with the blue?
Yeah.
So first we're gonna cut, I say, let's cut a square or a rectangle, rather. And this is gonna be our first bird. It will be a perfect rectangle, okay? Here's my first bird. Very good. Now, next color. Green. For the
Triangle.
triangle, good idea.
Not very good triangle.
Yeah, it's a little triangle, it's good. See?
这个，这样就
I think
差不多了。
Put the triangle bird here.
Me too.
Give me five.
哎呀，哈
Now.
！Oh my hand.
Next color.
Yellow.
Yellow. I will start here. Half circle. This looks like a half moon, right? And I put my half circle bird over here.
Little because then don't have space.
Now for this shape, we
Circle.
do circle. Yeah, good idea.
Mine is like an apple shape.
There you go. I think
Here, look,
I'm
mine.
gonna make this bird cute. I'm gonna make this one a little smaller.
I'm
We're gonna glue. We're going to glue our birds. So we have to make sure to leave a space between the branch and the body, so we can draw the feet. And start with crafts. Okay. Very good. Now that we have our birds glued to the paper, now we're gonna take the shade marker.
A triangle.
Your triangle. Yeah. You see, we're gonna draw beak, eyes. Put a little feather here.
Whoa, so cute. But you say we need a white glue. No. Clay.
Yeah, we can do it with white clay. You want to do it with white clay?
Yeah.
See, little balls, and then we glue them. Another one here. That's better. Then we can paint. I'm gonna make the beak outside, look. And I'm gonna make the wings also outside. And I'm gonna put here like, some clouds.
Daddy, you know what I'm thinking? Look,
I think your birds are too beautiful.
really. But I didn't painting the bird.
Yeah.
I'm
they're
painting
singing.
thing, yes. He's also have one flower.
Then I'm gonna paint the sun here.
It's a flower in the bird because it's a girl. Oh, forgot. Here.
I'm done. Bye bye.
我也好啦。
Very good.
再添加一些细节。好啦。
And there you have it. These are our birds resting in the branch.
对，你看，这个是在吃小虫子，这个在跳舞，就是觉得有点幼稚。这个呢，他觉得很开心，觉得跳舞很有意思，而这个呢，正在锻炼身体。
So with
所
basic
以
shapes,
我们一定要做一些奇形怪状的小鸟，不要总是做那种我们正常的小鸟。这样的更有趣，更好玩，好吗？
is it easy to do?
对，这个非常简单，
Very easy to do with basic shapes.
而且我们希望你们会喜欢这个视频。
So these birds are ready to fly.
Yes，
Bye bye.
拜拜。
And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye.